Admission to practice law. An admission to practice law is acquired when a lawyer receives a license to practice law. In jurisdictions with two types of lawyer, as with barristers and solicitors, barristers must gain admission to the bar, whereas for solicitors there are distinct practicing certificates. Becoming a lawyer is a widely varied process around the world. Common to all jurisdictions are requirements for age and competence. Some jurisdictions also require documentations of citizen and immigration status. However, the most varied requirements are those surrounding the preparations for the license, whether it includes obtaining a law degree, passing an exam, or serving in English. Admission is also called a law license. Basic requirements vary from country to country as described below. In some jurisdictions, after admission, the lawyer need to maintain the current practicing certificate to be permitted to offer services to the public. Africa. The Africa Union comprises all 55 countries on the continent of Africa. It is probably best to seek out each specific nation for its qualifications, as each can vary widely between them. So long as you hold a legal education, often it is straightforward. However, most often the biggest obstacle is residency for foreign educated lawyers. Egypt. The history of legal practitioners dates back to the times of Alexandria. Egypt has a professional bar association. Namibia. Namibia has a detailed act that fully delineates the requirements to be a legal practitioner. Generally, citizenship or extensive residency is required. Niger, the bar of Niger is very small. Despite a population of 17 million people, Niger only has 130 lawyers, of which 13 are women. Requirements to be a lawyer are not easily ascertained. Nigeria. One has to complete a 5-year LLB program in an accredited university in Nigeria of board, then a compulsory 1-year program bar 2 at a Nigeria law school, and the international students do a preliminary course before doing the compulsory 1-year program. During the law school program, students do compulsory. Victoria. Under the Legal Professional Act 2004, an individual may practice law as a legal practitioner in the state of Victoria if he or she has been admitted to the legal professional in any Australian jurisdictions and holds a current local or interstate practicing certificate. Furthermore, the Legal Profession Admission Rules 2008 replace articles of clerkship with supervised workplace training and make changes to the process of admission to practice under these new rules. Upon completion of an approved training course and attainment of an accredited law degree, a law graduate needs to complete either a practical legal training program or supervised workplace training to be admitted to practice law in Victoria. China. Fujian, the People's Republic of China, one must first obtain a recognized degree, a bachelor's, master's, or doctoral degree, pass the national judicial examinations, and complete a 1-year apprenticeship. Hong Kong, Fiji requires a Bachelor of Law degree, 4 years of study, as well as a successful completion of either the professional diploma in legal practice offered by the University of South Pacific and graduate diploma in legal practice offered at the University of Fiji, or an equivalent law degree and board admission course from abroad. Hong Kong makes a distinction between barristers and solicitors. Admission to either profession requires a law degree, either the 4-year LLB or the 2-year Juris Doctor JD, and a postgraduate certificate in laws which requires 9 months. The apprentice to becomes a barrister in only 1 year, while a solicitor must apprentice for 2 years. Foreign lawyers from any jurisdictions may be admitted as solicitors by passing the overseas qualified lawyers examinations and satisfying a 3 months residence requirement.